everyone, this is Nazarat Fatima and you're watching LiveLaw. The Supreme Court disapproved the practice of sealed covers in a case. The bench led by Chief Justice of India, D.Y. Chandrachud, refused to accept the sealed cover note which was presented before it by the Attorney General of India, Shri R. Venkatramani. The bench observed that the sealed cover note had to be shared with Senior Advocate Huzaifa Ahmadi, who is representing the other side. When the Attorney General was asked by the Chief Justice to share the sealed cover with the other side, he said it is confidential, which left the Chief Justice of India questioning as to what was so secretive about an issue which simply relates to the implementation of the court orders. The Chief Justice told the Attorney General, and I quote, "I am personally averse to sealed covers. What happens is we see something he does not see, and we decide the case without showing it to him. This is fundamentally contrary to the judicial process. There cannot be secrecy in the court. The court has to be transparent. Secrecy, it is understandable in a case diary. The accused is not entitled to it, or something which affects the source of information or affects somebody's life. But this is payment of pension in pursuance of directions in our judgment. What can be the great secrecy in this?" On hearing this, the Attorney General said that there are issues of sensitivity. The CJI made a statement, and I quote, "When you claim privilege, we have to decide that claim." He also added, and I quote, "We need to put an end to this sealed cover procedure, which is being followed in the Supreme Court, because then the high courts will also start following. And this is fundamentally contrary to basic process of fair justice." Later, the Attorney General read out the note, which stated that the budget outlay was not sufficient to meet the expenses. The note also stated that the Union Ministry of Defence had taken up the matter with the Finance Ministry, which suggested a payment in installments because of the inability to provide the funds at a time. The Attorney General also said, and I quote, "You can't pay attention to only one sector of paying pensions. It is about the economy. These are matters of fiscal policy." Ahmadi, while informing the court about the delay in payment, said, and I quote, "They have served the country in the best years of their life, and why is it that they are the last priority of the government?" He also said, and I quote, "After having said that we'll pay you in 2019, they're now saying that they'll pay in April 2024. It's extremely unfair. This circular could not have been issued without consulting the highest level. It is not like they don't have money." After hearing both the sides, the bench, also comprising Justices P.S. Narasimha and J.B. Pardiwala, passed the order and directed that the pensioners and gallantry award winners shall be paid in one installment on or before April 30, 2023. Regarding the payment to be made to pensioners who are 70 years old or above, the payment of OROP shall be made on or before June 30, 2023. The Union Government can make the payment in one installment or in one or more installments around 30th of May 2023. Moreover, with regard to the balance of the pensioners under the OROP scheme, the same shall be paid in 3 fixed installments. Thank you for watching. If you find the content useful, please like and share the video. Also subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for notifications. For a better experience, you can also download the app LiveLaw.